31 meteorologist Rob Elvington joining us right now for a check of that weather, the very weather we're talking about that's causing some of these folks to think ahead and cancel these Christmas parade plans.
Yeah, I mean, the best thing to do is to plan ahead, Rob. So what can we expect?
You know, we've got that chance for some showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, this evening, but that main window of severe weather, that's going to be overnight tonight through the late morning hours on Saturday. All types of severe weather are possible. We're concerned about all of North Alabama, but the greatest threat will be for areas west of I-65, and that does include that threat of isolated strong tornadoes, high winds. We're talking straight line winds up to 60 miles per hour, maybe even a few gusts higher than that. That's going to create some damage if that is to occur, and also heavy rain, which could bring some localized flooding. Just starting to see a few showers over the last hour developing off to the southwest, just starting to enter into parts of Winston, about to cross over into Coleman County in the next 30 minutes. And these are moving pretty quickly to the east-northeast at about 40 miles per hour. So these will be moving in to Morgan County, Marshall County, even Madison County over the next hour to hour and a half. We put a track on this. You can expect this to arrive in Coleman closer to about 12:29. That's about, 40 minutes from now. Vinemont closer to about 12:33. Hartselle around 12:45 and Decatur around 12:57. Again, these are just plain old showers right now. I'm not seeing any cloud or ground lightning, but these could always strengthen some over the next few hours. And that's why we do have that thunderstorm threat in place all the way through this afternoon and into this evening. And look, some of these temperatures, we're going to be up into the low 70s here this afternoon. That's 15 degrees above average for this time of the year. Just kind of feels like we have severe weather on the way for North Alabama. Forecast wind gusts for today. This is 2 o'clock this afternoon. It's going to be breezy and gusty. Keep that in mind. And those winds are going to stay up all day today through the overnight hours. Even around 11 o'clock tonight, ahead of the severe weather threat, we're tracking winds gusting of around 30 to 35 miles per hour. So you need to take care of all those Christmas decorations. Those will get blown around regardless of severe weather for tomorrow morning. All the way through about 5:30 tomorrow morning, look at the winds still gusting around 35 to 40 miles per hour. And then as that severe threat exits off to the east into Georgia, we'll start to see the winds dropping off, but still pretty breezy and gusty all the way through your Saturday afternoon as that cooler air starts to move in. Here's future radar. This is right around 4 o'clock this afternoon. Mostly showers, but there is that chance for some embedded thunderstorms. So still a lightning threat all the way through this afternoon, this evening as we wrap up the school week and the work week. We'll continue all the way through this evening, mostly just showers, but a few thunderstorms will be possible. It's not until the overnight hours and into the early morning hours that we start to see that severe threat moving in. This is right around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, just about a crossover into Lauderdale County. And you'll notice how quickly this races off to the east and southeast through the shoals around 7 a.m., moving into Athens and Moulton. And you'll notice all these little squiggly kinks in the line. That's where you could get those quick spin-up tornadoes. What's left of that line continues to race to the east. And you can see that leading edge moving right through Gunnersville and Scottsboro. This is right around 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. And then that leading edge exiting off to the east right around noon. And we're still tracking some heavy rain, but that's the severe threat right there. So once that moves off to the east and southeast, we are done. But we will be tracking still some lingering showers and some gusty winds. Rainfall forecast, this goes all the way through the day tomorrow. Could see about an inch of rainfall. So that's quite a bit of rain in about a 24-hour period. So that could still bring some ponding on the roads and make for dangerous and difficult driving conditions. 7-day forecast, 73 for a high today. That is well above average for early to mid-December. 67 for tomorrow. Of course, that would come early in the day. Once that cold front passes through, much cooler air races in. And we're down to 32 degrees by Sunday morning, 55 by Sunday afternoon. But we do gradually warm things back up heading into next work week. Can't stress this enough. If you head to bed tonight, make sure you have a way to get that weather information. Make sure all of your phone devices are charged. If a warning comes down, you're able to receive that. And of course, we'll be here all day tomorrow morning, all day throughout the day as that severe threat moves in. Of course, you can always check in on our website as well. Back to you.